What up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So be honest with you guys, be very honest with you. So I was trying to attempt to do this video 2 days prior, but I was super frustrated. It wasn't working, so I just quit in the middle of filming the video. Now I wonder if I should show you some of the old clips because it was going great and stuff wasn't just panning out for me. But today I did a test run. So actually I got one side of the DevSport side skirt splinter on fitted correctly. Now I'm gonna be honest with you, doing these videos sometimes you get frustrated and everything just goes south. And I'm gonna be honest with you, be very transparent with you right now, because a lot of people just think because it's always a great time filming car videos, but it's not. You get frustrated, you just want to throw everything down and just walk away. And that's what I had to do the other day. I had to literally walk away because I might do something I regret pertaining to this car. So yes, I'm gonna show you guys the first side. So I did the passenger side first and it looks very good, and I'm so happy that it turned out so great. So I have a little bit of issues from the back side, drilling it in. So one great advice, I was very frustrated today and my dad was talking to me. He told me a great advice to use when you do metal: get a metal drill bit and drill the metal bit first, then you put the screws behind it. And I really wasn't like, I was understanding what he was saying, like, oh, that was the main reason why this stuff wasn't working out for me. I just be 100% honest, like it was getting on my nerves. But I'm gonna show you what I did and hope you guys like it. So this is the passenger side, like I said before. Looks so good. So let you guys know something. Start off with this first, then you work your way over to this. So on the first, I said the first four up here, it was doing just fine until I got down here to the last two, and that's when we had the issue. So what I had to do is I had to go get me some self-tapping screws, like 2 inches, and it worked perfectly fine. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like under the car. You can see I got my self-tapping screws there and there. You can see back there, and the rest up here I got the regular ones that DevSport gave me. It was a very frustrating process, but I'm happy that I got this one side done. Now I still have a beast to tackle because I got to get the front lip splinter, and that's where I was having the most issues at the other day, because it would not want to go on properly, would not want to fit properly. And I know this will fit because I ordered the right parts. So yeah, so right now we're about to do the other side. I'm gonna film the other side for you guys so you can see what I'm doing. So hopefully you guys don't have these issues. I'll come across trying to give you some good advice going forward doing this project. So yes, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please hit subscribe below. Also hit the notification bell so you won't miss out any of my updates. And let's go. So we're done with installing this side skirt. So I got both of the side skirt splinters on. Like I said before, when it gets down to the very end, close to the rear wheel, that's when it gets very tricky. Now, like I said before, those bolts, what they give you, what DevSport gives you is good up top. When it gets down to the very end, that's when it's not long enough to catch the metal. So I had to go get some 2-inch self-tapping screws. Like I said before, these are the best things you want to get and it will catch fine. So yes, I'm gonna do a little complete walk around, show you guys how it looks on both sides right quick. This is how this one looks. All right, so I have my mock-up right now of the front chin splinter. Now, only issue I'm seeing is because they have pre-made holes for this, and if I look under, they already have like the pins that pop in the bumper shield guard is right there below the pre-made hole. So I'm debating, should I take the front bumper back off once again, or try to attempt drilling the holes this way, ignore what DevSport gave me, and just drill it with self-tapping screws. That's my biggest issue right now, because I feel like right now how it sits right now is like really perfect, and I feel like right now as this mock-up, it's the best fitment I have right now, and I want to really attempt to do it, but I'm going to see. So I'm going to put the camera down for a couple minutes and really just go in here and really check how I'm really going to do this and where I'm going to screw my holes at. I want to drill my holes in the pre-made holes they already have for me, but right now I don't know how that's going to be possible. So yeah, I'll get you guys up in a minute and I'm going to really tell you what I'm going to do with this property. So I made my decision. I'm going to use self-tapping screws rather than what DevSport gave me out the box. I just feel like it's much easier to use, and I just feel like it's much better. So right now I did a mock-up of 2 of the self-tapping screws on the right-hand side of the front chin splitter. So it's coming out good so far. So when I get down to my both corners, that's when it really gonna get tricky on me, because much room of wiggle room to even get a nail in there. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got so far. So right now, as you can see, I have one there and one there. Now I know these look kind of janky right now, but I'm gonna come back and fix these. I'm thinking about getting some washers and put them there and there just to make it more a little bit better. But yes, so this is the mock-up, but I think it's like the perfect right now. This is how perfect it's gonna get. There's nothing gonna be better than this. So yeah, I'm gonna start drilling my holes and we'll get to it. Alright guys, so this comes to the very end of the video. I want to tell you guys this project was a little bit frustrating. Actually, this took me 2 days to do this. So I don't know if I'm going to show you the footage that was before, but I'm so glad that we made it to this point. If you at this very end of the video, let you guys know, just keep going. Do not quit. Get frustrated building these builds. Just walk away. I know a lot of times we just think these YouTube videos just magic, like it's first time. Like no, it's a lot of things I've done on this channel that I've done multiple times just for to get it right on a video. So yes, I'm going to show you guys the DevSport side skirts and the front lip. As you can see, everything looks so good. Woo! I cannot believe it. I love how it looks. I just feel like it adds more flair to the car, especially once I install the HFP kit on here. Like it all makes sense now. I just like how it looks. Like this thing It's so sexy. So crazy. Now I will have everything in the description below if you guys trying to purchase the front lip chin and the side skirts for the 9th gen Honda Civic. Yes, this comes to the very end of the video. So before I get out of here, make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed to the channel. I see you guys later. And always drive with passion.